Okay, so here's the deal. If I do this video, will you stop inspiriting me? Okay? We got each other deal? Good. Put it there, buddy. Ew, at least clean your hands first. Sorry about that, folks. I was just discussing with one of my yokai pals. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Snottle. As we all know by now, Snottle is one of the yokai who makes those he inspirits pick their noses. It's disgusting, am I right, folks? So, as we all know, Snottle, when inspirited by people will have the uncontrollable urge to pick their noses, which is kind of disgusting. But, anyways, from the information that I heard online, he was just a, you see, he was born from one of the kids, from a boy's he was born from one of the boy's boogers, or snots for short. But, he became a yokai because of it. And, truth be told, he has no reason to pick his nose. He's got 2 nostrils and wants to know what's up there. And often, he likes to mess with Nate, and, he likes to pick his nose in front of Nate. Often, he summons Jibanyan at the worst possible time, and ends up, getting beat up, as him too. And, when drawing him, since he's always picking his nose, his fingers are always up his brain, which is really kind of weird if you ask me. The second time that Nate met Snottle was in It's a Yokai Holiday. So, when you start drawing him, you must start with his head. And both of his fingers are put together, like up the nose or something. Alexa, next song. Okay, so, here's his finger. Anyways, next up, you just have to draw this thing above his head. There's his head. Here's his ears. There's his body here. There's his hand. Here's his other hand here. And, next up, we're just gonna draw the rest of his body. He's a bit chubby, but don't tell Snottle I said that. Okay. And here's his finger. And, there we go. That's how you draw a Snottle. Pretty awesome, don't you think, guys? Anyways, his leg is always up. And, till next, that's how you draw a Snottle. Anyways, who's your favorite yokai? And if so, make sure to let me know. And, who do you think is the strongest and the most funniest? Be sure to let me know. So anyways, until next time, be sure to dig for treasure. It's a snotty pleasure. And be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. I'll see you guys soon. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? You said you wouldn't do this! Are you seriously making me pick my nose? But, alright, that's it! I'm getting Jibanyan! And, hold on a sec, let me just get my yokai watch. Sorry, folks. I have a yokai situation here. I'll be right back.